Hello everybody! It has been a hot minute since I filmed. I was really sick in January and February. I kept getting sick. If you are new here, I have an autoimmune condition, so I am severely immunosuppressed, which means that if I do get sick, not only is it really dangerous because my body can't fight infection, it nearly feels impossible to fight infections. So I unfortunately kept getting sick and it became a kick me while I'm down situation. I am going to sit down today and film my Best in Beauty 2017. Given that we're so far into the new year, I might just call this current favorites, but this is technically something that I should have posted, that I should have filmed and posted in January. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Ooh, this first product, I've got a little basket here of all my products. I really wish I could say I did not like these products because Oribe is one of the most expensive hairlines out there, but I like it, I love it, and what I usually do is I just stock up on all the samples, but every so often I do indulge in a full-size product, and the one that is never out of my hair care rotation is the Gold Lust Repair and Restore Conditioner. I leave conditioner in my hair while I finish everything else in the shower, so it has time to sink in and kind of marinate in the hair and do whatever it needs to do. This conditioner is meant to hydrate, moisturize, repair, protect, and you know what? This delivers. Now the only thing is I wasn't convinced that I needed to use like a full quarter-size amount of conditioner because that just kind of seemed like a lot. So what I did on a whim is I mixed a very little amount of this with my everyday conditioner. It worked just as well, so I could actually make this product last longer. The Tatcha Indigo Soothing Rice Enzyme Powder. My skin freaked out and I had spots all over and I needed something to take them down. I was blown away by how effective this product was. It sopped up the oil, but it didn't leave my skin feeling really tight, and I didn't get any breakouts. It completely balanced my skin. Next up is the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen. I promise we will get to less expensive products soon, but we need to talk about the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen. I am a liquid liner junkie, but what's really funny about that is that I don't do wings and I always smudge out the line. I need something that's dark and doesn't set super quickly. People rave about the Tom Ford pen, eyeliner pen, for a reason. It's got two ends. It's got the smaller pointy end that gets in between the lashes, and it's got the bigger end which I use to draw the line on top. It has the inkiest, the smoothest, darkest, black, gorgeous line that you could ask for. Alright, hopefully you can see this. Oh my gosh, look at that. Once it sets, it doesn't budge, but it doesn't set super quickly, so I have time to smudge it out to my likeness. This product doesn't dry out quickly, so you will get your money's worth and finish the entire product. Are my favorite skincare items ever. 3 of them. The Estee Lauder serums. We've got the, ooh, that's backwards, I'm sorry. The Enlighten Serum and the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I have 2 dedicated videos on these serums, so I will not stay here long, but Estee Lauder knows their skincare. They do a lot of research, they have a lot of money to do it, so I am confident in saying that when they say one of their skincare products work, they do, especially the serums. More so the serums than anything else, like their moisturizers and cleansers, in my opinion. I have darker skin, which means that when I scar, when I get hyperpigmentation, when I get spots, they scar. And they scar pretty dark. And I have one here, I think. I have a bunch on my forehead. I don't know why I'm touching my skin. And this does a really good job of getting rid of them. The Advanced Night Repair Serum is a holy grail item, has been for like 6-7 years, always will be, unless they change the formula. This is just an all-around good preventative skincare. It kind of takes care of your skin as a whole, hydration, balancing it, making sure it doesn't wrinkle, that kind of stuff. They're not super heavy, so they don't break me out. They work best under moisturizer. So I do this after I cleanse, tone, serum, let it sink in for maybe like a minute, then I put moisturizer on top. The Clinique All About Eyes Rollerball Serum. Serum Rollerball. It has a really nice kind of cooling liquid that depuffs and cools the under eye area. The really nice thing that I appreciate about this product is that the rollerball doesn't tug at the under eye area. I'm gonna put some on right now because it just feels so good. It has caffeine in it, so that's why it depuffs so well. But if you are sensitive to caffeine, steer clear of this product. It will irritate your eyes, it will irritate your skin. I did get a question about this, whether this was something that you could use on makeup. Now, if you guys have watched my videos, you know I do not wear face makeup often, which means foundation and concealer. But I have used this over eyeshadow. In fact, I'm wearing eyeshadow right now, so I'll just show you that gently it doesn't move it around. We are finally getting into more drugstore stuff. The first one I'm going to talk about are my favorite face wipes. These are the generic version of the Pond's Towelettes. I personally like the lavender scent purple packaging ones. I use this everywhere. I use it on my face, I use it to wipe down my arms, I use it on my nails, I use it on the back of my hands. When I was going to film this video, I bought these for the video, but then I got sick and I used them all up, so I don't have any to show you, but they have a quilted pattern that really traps dirt and makeup, and it just gently exfoliates the skin. This little product right here, I can't imagine paying $100, $200 for a electronic face brush when you have this right here. This is the Sephora Precision Pore Cleansing Pad. I don't think I said that right. Sephora Precision Pore Cleansing Pad. I'm not gonna try that again. But this retails for $6. You put it in between two fingers like this. It's got soft silicone bristles and a little massage tip. And you put your cleanser on there and you just lather it up. This has completely changed my cleaning game. The bristles are super soft, but they lather up really quick. They lather up the gel cleansers really quickly, and they don't irritate the skin. I think they are actually they are advertised as exfoliating, but these are so super soft that they're not gonna do that. They're really good under the eyes to reduce puffiness and drain fluid. Well, that was a long favorites video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. You are an absolute rock star. A lot of these products I have already featured on my channel. I will link those more detailed videos down below. While you're down there, don't forget to check out my social media platforms, leave a comment, thumbs up this video, and don't forget to turn that subscribe button gray. If you don't feel like going all the way down there, you can click on my face somewhere over here to subscribe. Don't know if you like me yet? That's cool. Check out some of my other content by clicking on the thumbnail up here somewhere above my subscribe face. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching again, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.